Because the Japanese had overtaken Manchuria and were continuing to expand into China, the Chinese nationalists and the Chinese communists decided to end their civil war so that they could join forces against Japan. On July 7th, 1937, the Japanese tried to enter a city known as Wanping. They were looking for one of their own soldiers. The Chinese refused to let them in, and during this conflict, a gunshot was heard, and they began to fire at each other. On December 9th, the Japanese scattered papers into the city of Nanjing. These papers were threats demanding that the Chinese surrender, or they would face no mercy. December 10th, General Iwane Matsui directed his troops to attack the city of Nanjing. Within a few days, this would become what is known to the world as the Rape of Nanking.